Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey and you smell like one too. So you're 6 years old today, huh?
Yep.
What do you want to do?
I'll do whatever I want.
And what's that, though?
I don't know.
Oh, and what kind of surprise did you want yesterday?
Yesterday I wanted to go to the dentist.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, I love you.
You too. And I like I like this present too.
Like what?
I like this present too.
Oh.
Bentley.
Pretty soon you'll have another baby.
You were so cute, Bentley. Oh. His little face, little stink. Stink. Doesn't want, so it doesn't stink. And he doesn't wear shoes. Man, you just crushed the bug that was in your toes. Bentley. I'm 6 years old.